A very fine good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise my practice time 5 and my practice time 6, that is based on word problems. Now, and my practice time 6 is based on estimating the difference. Have a look on word problems. See the example number 1. A shopkeeper has 578 eggs in his shop. How many eggs in his shop? 578. If he sold 389 eggs in a week time, how many eggs are left in the shop? Total eggs 578. He sold, कितने सोल्ड कर दिए? 389 in a week. Okay, so number of eggs left, कितने egg रह गए? So you will perform subtraction. Number of eggs left equal to total minus eggs sold in a week. So you get 189 eggs left. Okay, after subtraction, you get 189 eggs left. Is it clear? Sure. See here how the subtraction is performed. Out of 8, it is not possible to subtract 9. So, take 1 borrow from this, become 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Here left 6. It is not possible to subtract 8 from the 6. So take 1 from here, 16. Now minus 8. And here left 4. So we can easily subtract 3 from the 4. We get 189. Okay. For the word problems, you have to read the statement twice. Is it clear? Then just analyze in your mind which operation we have to perform to get our answer. Let's see. Example number 2. Ritika collected 2037 coins and her friend Simi collected 1149 coins. It is very clear that Ritika has collected more coins. But what we have to do? Here is comparison is given. We have to tell who has collected more and how much. So we perform subtraction. Okay. How many more coins did Ritika collect compared to Simi? So coins collected by Ritika equal to 2037. Coins collected by Simi 1149. So the difference is you have to perform subtraction. Is it clear? So your answer is 888. Okay. So you just write answer. In the same way, you have to do my practice time 5 full. Okay. We have already discussed this my practice time 5 in Zoom class. Still you face any problem? So discuss your problem in the Zoom class again. Let's discuss question number 10. There are 5,742 tourists at a tourist base camp. How many tourists? 5,742. Okay. If 2,687 tourists went for trekking, कितने tourists trekking के लिए गए? 2,687. Now you have to tell how many tourists are left. कितने tourists रह गए? So it's very simple. Total tourists given and the tourists left for trekking given. Left out, you have to perform subtraction. So have a look. Number of tourists in a camp, 5,742. Number of tourists went for trekking, 2,687. Number of tourists left. So for this you have to perform subtraction. Okay. So after this you get the answer 3,055. Is it clear? Sure? So in this you have to just perform subtraction. Okay? Now this is PT5. In the PT5 you have done about word problems. Okay, I have discussed the 2 examples as well as 1 question. Remaining you have to do it yourself. Now come to the topic estimating the difference. In the estimation, you know what we have to get? Near possible value. So, estimate the difference. You first have to round off. And it is given that in question number 1 of practice times 6, estimate the difference by first rounding off to the nearest tens. आपको पहले round off करना है nearest tens. Let's start. It's very simple. In the chapter number 1, we have done the round off. In chapter number 2, we have done the estimating the addition. Now in chapter number 3, we are going to do estimating the difference. See, firstly, estimate this number to nearest tens. Underline this. Because the nearest tens is given, underline once, you get 330. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, add 3, पीछे वाले भाग. Now 124, it is less than 5, so its answer is 120. After rounding off, you what have to do? Just perform the subtraction. Okay? Now see, after rounding off, you get the answer 210. Is it clear? Sure? Very good. Now, similarly in the question number 2, estimating to the nearest hundreds. Estimating to nearest hundreds. Firstly, round off to the nearest hundred, then estimate the difference. See, question is, firstly you have to do nearest hundred. Once tens hundred, so tens underline. Okay, here also less than 5. Okay, now just perform the difference. Is it clear? Sure? Sure? So, we have completed this chapter. Today we have completed practice time 5 and 6. Please revise it properly, and still you face any problem, discuss your problem in the Zoom class. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.